Hi, I'm Aisha B. Welcome back to my channel. I like to do videos on luxury living on a budget, so if you like videos like those, I would love it if you can like and subscribe down below and leave a comment in the comment section so we can chat. So before we get started, I would like to say that all the links for the products I have shown are in my Pinterest link board that is always linked in the description box. In order to get to the link, first of all, you need to go to the Pinterest account or the Pinterest board. Then you need to click on the picture and you'll be taken to whatever you are looking for that I have shown on my channel. A lot of people ask me about the links, or they tell me that they cannot find the products, but I think the main issue is that a lot of people don't know you have to click the picture to get there, you know? So just a little quick PSA before we get started. Today's video is going to be on 10 ways to wear the Prada Re-Edition 2005. I know I said that I wasn't going to make a whole video, like not a whole video, but a long video on this, or a Friday video on this, but as soon as I said that, life got very busy, to be honest. It's like, you know, don't tell God your plans because he will laugh at you for sure. So Thursday, Friday is the only time I get to film and upload at the moment, and still get to, you know, do my regular life. I will say that if you guys are contacting me for links, going back to my previous points, that again, life just got very busy and I put out all the information for you guys to be able to find by yourself. So, you know, help yourselves. All right, so let's go ahead and get started in today's video. So number one is a one shoulder long strap, you know, crossbody situation. I like this way the most because it's just convenient when I'm hopping out my car and going to, like, let's say the grocery store. It's just easy to grab the bag, sling it on my shoulder, and keep it pushing. The con I have to wearing the bag this way though is that sometimes it can slip off the shoulder, and that little pouch that's on top and on the front of it, just like when I had the multi-pochette, I find that pouch a little bit annoying to kind of just have there swinging, so sometimes I just leave it at home completely. Way number two is a true crossbody. I like this way because it's truly hands-free. You don't have to worry about having to adjust the bag on your shoulder frequently. You can just go ahead and sling it over your shoulder and keep it moving. The con for this for me is the strap. I am a bit more, you know, busty. So with the strap, I don't like the way it cuts across my chest. So, you know, that's a me problem though. And I know a lot of people like crossbody bags. Way number three to wear this bag is just with the chain. It gives it a nice cute shoulder bag moment. I love how it kind of feels like 90s because of the way the bag is shaped. It's just convenient to just have it as just a little handbag. It makes it so that you can wear it with multiple outfits, like it can go from day to night when you just use the shoulder strap with it. And it is, you know, just cute overall. Way number four is to put the pouch on the chain strap and wear it as a shoulder bag. I like this way because the pouch becomes kind of just like a accessory to the bag. I said in my previous video that you can't put cards in the one I purchased, but I have seen that you are able to put cards in the nylon version of the bag. So I'm not sure though, because I do not own that bag. But I do think that the pouch on the chain is just a cute way to just accessorize the bag with something that it already comes with, so it already matches. Way number five is to add a completely new strap to the bag overall. I took the strap from my mini Lady Dior and I put it on this bag. The leather textures are different, but I feel like since it's a black strap, it still works. It adds a very like sleek look to the bag. It like elevates the bag. It makes it look a little bit more, you know, elegant and, you know, a little bit more business like, in my opinion. It just adds something different to the bag, and it's just a fun way to play around with the bag overall. Way number seven is a way that I think is very convenient. When I am at the gym, I don't bring a gym bag with me. I just bring my Simply Modern water bottle that I got from Amazon, and I just use a clasp, and I attach my gym card on there, and then I'll put the Prada Re-Edition pouch on there with my AirPods in it, because my AirPods, as you see, do not have a case. So it is just a cute way to, you know, secure the AirPods. And you could also slip your gym membership card in there as well, just so you don't lose that. My gym charges a replacement fee, and nobody got time to pay a replacement fee when the first one was free in the first place. Way number eight is how I'm still currently wearing it as a necklace. It is definitely very on trend right now to have a like chunky chain necklace, and then this gives that kind of look to it. It is all the way upstairs right now, so I cannot go get it, but it used to be a trend. I'm I don't think it is anymore, but people used to take like the Louis Vuitton lock and add a chain to it and make that a necklace too, so it has a pendant. And that would be a cute thing to do since the necklace does have clasp on it. Let me go ahead and turn it around. Since the necklace does have clasp on it, you can go ahead and add the lock to the chain very easily because you just clasp it on. Or, you know, you guys can use the clasp as an accessory by itself because fashion is what you make it, you know? So that is all the ways I have come up with to rock this bag. If you guys have any more ways, I would love it if you can leave it in the comment section down below. To give me some ideas how to wear it as well, and to share with, you know, the fellow subscribers of my channel, the fellow watchers of my channel. A few announcements before I go. I've started to, you know, do this as a part of my videos just so I can get out whatever is on my mind in the moment. But a few announcements are that, number one, if I am not replying to my messages this weekend, I am out of town. I have to take an emergency trip to Maryland. Nothing, you know, family related or anything like that, but it is now or never, and it is very important. I may share why I'm doing it, but I may not. Just know that I am going to be busy all weekend long. So if I'm not replying to DMs or, you know, the comment section right away, I will eventually. And that leads me to commenting on my posts and then DMing me and then commenting on YouTube and then, you know, sending me a message on Pinterest and all those kind of things. Do not make me reply to you any faster. I know that you're eager to get a product, but as I said, all the products are always in my Pinterest. I will go in and add a couple more details because I know some of you guys have questions about the size of a certain bag or, you know, what a company means by like PM versus GM and all those kind of things. I know and I understand that you guys have questions, but I need you guys to know and understand that I am dealing with my personal life as well. And I don't live my life on social media. I've said that multiple times. I don't have my post notifications turned on for YouTube or Instagram, and I probably never will because I don't feel like, you know, I should prioritize Instagram messages over, you know, having time with my family and just living my life in a present way, you know? So that is all I have to say for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like, comment, and subscribed already. And I hope to see you guys in next Friday's video. So have a great weekend and I will see you next time. All right, bye.